Hello students, good morning. Today I will start pharmacodynamic. It is a study of biochemical and physiological effect of drugs on the body. It relates to drug binding to receptor and its effect. There are two aspects of pharmacodynamics. First one is qualitative aspects, in which receptors and enzyme selectivity. And second one is quantitative aspects, in which dose response, potential, therapeutic efficacy and tolerance. Now come to the principle of drug action. First one is stimulation. Example, adrenaline stimulates heart. Second one is depression. Examples, barbiturates depresses CNS and quinidine depresses heart. Third one is irritation. Examples, bitter increases salivary and gastric secretion. Fourth one is replacement therapy, that is insulin in diabetes mellitus. Fifth one is cytotoxic action, in which cytotoxic drugs, example anti-cancer drug, invading organism or the cancer cells without affecting host cells. Now come to the target for drug action. It includes 4 ways: through ion channels, in ion channels, again 3 ways: voltage gated calcium and sodium channels, ligand gated, that is 5-HT3 and GABA B receptors. Third one, other ion channels through aquaporine. Second one, through enzymes. It acts via enzyme substrate interaction. Third one, through transporters or carrier molecule, also known as membrane transport or carrier proteins. Fourth one, through receptors, and it is the most common way of pharmacodynamic action of any drugs. Again, I would like to continue the remaining part. The most common way, that is receptor through receptors. Now come to the types of receptors, better known as transducer mechanism, that is to convert in another form, in which again 4 types. First one is ligand gated ion channels receptors, examples NMDA. Second one is G protein coupled receptors, that is GPCRs, and it is largest family of cell surface receptors, examples muscarinic receptors. Third one is enzyme linked receptors, examples insulin receptors. It has 2 ways: through intrinsic enzyme receptors and through Jack state kinase binding receptors. Fourth one, nuclear receptors, examples steroid receptors, example in which receptors regulating gene expression, that is transcription factors. Now come to the most common receptors mechanism, that is GPCR. It acts through second messenger. The cell releases second messenger molecules in response to expose to extracellular signals, that is first messengers. Second messengers are of 3 major classes. First one is cyclic nucleotides, example cyclic AMP and cyclic GMP. Second one is inositol triphosphate, that is also known as IP3 and DAG. Third one is through calcium ion. First messengers, these are the extracellular substances that includes peptide hormones such as epinephrines, growth factors and neurotransmitter such as serotonin. That's all about. Again, good morning. Again, I would like to continue the remaining part of pharmacodynamics. Today, the most common mechanism, that is transducer mechanism, in which four major category. First one is GPCR. This type of receptor is present in cell membrane, in which there are three pathways. First one is cyclic AMP pathway. It acts via GS, means G protein, stimulatory protein. Second one is PLC IP3 DAG pathway, that is also known as phospholipase C pathway. It acts via GQ, that is Q stands for quiescent. Third one is channel regulation. It acts via GIE, I stands for inhibitory, in which there is no second messenger and ultimately opens potassium ion channel. Second category is receptors with intrinsic ion channels, also called ligand ion channels. For this, sodium, potassium, calcium and chloride channels are involved. Examples: nicotinic, GABA, glycine, excitatory amino acids and 5-HT3. All these receptors are involved. Third one is, that is enzyme linked receptors, in which first one is intrinsic enzyme receptors, either protein kinase or G cyclase. Examples: insulin, epidermal growth factors and ANP. Okay? The remaining part of pharmacodynamics. Third one is enzyme linked receptors, in which two types. First one is intrinsic enzyme receptors, either protein kinase or G cyclase. Examples: insulin, epidermal growth factors and ANP. Second one is JAK state kinase binding receptors. Examples: many cytokinase, growth hormones and interferon. Fourth major category, that is receptor regulating gene expression. It is also known as transcription factor. This is the slowest and takes hours. These are intracellular, maybe cytoplasmic or nuclear, soluble protein which respond to lipid soluble chemical messengers that penetrates the cell. Examples: all steroid hormones like glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, androgen, estrogen, progesterone. Apart from that, thyroxine, vitamin D and vitamin A. This is all about pharmacodynamics in brief. Okay, have a good day.